Hi, it's Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian. Today at our sales meeting, we had a great presentation from Kim Ross from the TD about buyers and the pros and cons about waiting for lower interest rates. So the scenario is, and we can email it to you to have a look if you'd like to, is buyers are saying, I'm going to wait until rates go down farther and farther. And they are, everybody's talking about rates going down. So what the example showed was if you bought it today with prices where they are, even at a higher interest rate, at the end of the day, you're not saving more money by waiting for the interest rate to go down, because when the interest rates go down even farther, more buyers come in the market, which makes prices go up. So you're paying more for the house and a lower interest rate, plus your deposit has to be higher because the price is higher, and there's higher property transfer tax because the price is higher. So it's kind of a false negative to think that I'm going to save money by waiting for lower interest rates. Remember, lower rates bring more buyers, driving up prices. Things to think about. It's not always just the rate. If you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. And if you'd like to book an appointment with me, just hit the button below and I'll get back to you right away. Okay? Have a great day.